Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Atif Ahmad. Hope you guys doing great. In this video we look at the mid-range Sony MDR-XB950BT, a wireless Bluetooth headphones which comes with extra bass. These headphones comes equipped with Bluetooth and NFC for easy pairing with different smartphones and other devices like laptop or PC. Let me do a quick unboxing. We look at some of its features. It's come with bass boost, reliable wireless range which is 32 feet, 10 meter range approx, 20 hours battery time, frequency is 3 Hz to 28 kHz, 40 mm driver. In my opinion, the build quality is highly impressive and it's quite impressive. It has a soft and comfortable earpads, loud and clear sound, and it is available in 3 different colors: black, red and blue. These headphones are highly efficient in converting electricity into acoustic signals. This means you will hear a louder sound across the entire audio spectrum compared to less sensitive headphones when listening to music through the same source and at the same volume level. Easy wireless streaming with Bluetooth. Based on radio waves, Bluetooth technology allows you to make a quick short-range wireless connection that won't be interrupted by objects in the signal path. Once paired, you are free to stream all of your favorite music from your smartphones or tablet to your headphones. And it comes with one touch listening to play instant music. NFC, which stands for near field communication technology, removes the need for wired connections and complex setups sequences. Simply touch your NFC enabled smartphone or other device to on body and mark and start your music right away. Now no NFC, no issue, no problem. You can also pair the devices manually in Bluetooth setting. You can see the compatible devices on Google as well. One button control for smartphones calls. Stay in touch while listening to music. The one button control on your headphones let you take hands-free call whenever they come through on your Android smartphones or iPhone. You can also skip music tracks with a flick of your finger and switch easily between songs and calls with no need to remove your headphones. Pressure relieving earpad seal in sound. The oval earpad designed with pressure relieving cushions has been engineered to match the shape of your ears, ensure a secure fit with minimal sound leakage while traveling. The perfect pairing for those who live life on the go. The sliding metal handband swivel fold design makes it easy to store your headphones when not in use and while traveling. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Linksoft Services, and yes, thank you for your time. I hope to see you guys in next one. Peace out.
You should say